My fellow Nigerians, abeg make una help me beg Leko, Big Brother Naija. March this year I come Nigeria, so I come meet Lekon for Quilos for VI club, Quilos club for VI. So we come with me and my friends and Lekon friend. So we come dey together, we come dey drink, we drink. And the next day I won't catch my flight the next day. So I follow Lekon go house. Lekon Big Brother Naija, I follow and go house. So we come fuck normally. I can't come back to where I dey stay. So not knowing say I don't get belle. So after I come dey vomit. I can't say I don't get belle. So the number wey he give me now, because now one night stand. So number wey he give me maybe no correct, because me that I don't drink. The number they try and they call and the number no they go. I don't call, you know they go. I don't know I want to reach a family. I don't know I want to see him till I can finally see him for Big Brother Naija.